Hello cool coders. Today we are diving into the world of Angular components, how it's work, how to use it and how to create a component. So let's start the video. So what exactly are Angular components? In simple terms, components are the building blocks of an Angular application. They are like Lego pieces come together to create a fantastic structure. Each component is a self-contained unit responsible for a specific part of your application. Let's talk about the basic structure of an Angular components. At its core, a component consists of three main parts: the template, the class, and the metadata. The templates define the user interface, the class contains the code that powers the component, and the metadata provide additional information about the component such as its selector and style. Now let's see how easy to create an Angular component. You can use the Angular CLI to generate a new component just using a simple command as shown. Once created, you can start customizing the template and adding functionality to the class. One of the powerful features of Angular component is data binding. They allow you to establish connection between template and the class, making it easy to display and manipulate data. There are different types of data binding, including one-way and two-way data binding, each serving specific purpose in your application. Angular components have a life cycle, and you can tap into various points in the application lifecycle. These hooks allow you to perform action in different stages, such as initialization, content projection, and destruction. Understanding lifecycle hook is crucial for managing the behavior of your application. In a real-world application, components often communicate with each other. Angular provides several ways to achieve this, including input and output properties as well as services. This mechanism enables seamless communication between your application's different parts, enhancing its overall functionality. In summary, Angular components are the fundamental building blocks of Angular application. They encapsulate UI, logic, and behavior, making your code more modular and maintainable. Whether you are a seasoned developer or just starting, understanding how to create and leverage Angular component is a key step in mastering this powerful framework. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for spending this time with me, and I will catch you at the next one. Happy coding.